Hello friends, Krishnanta here and you're watching The Electric Guy. In this video, I will be igniting a bottle filled with hydrogen. First, make hydrogen gas with the help of the reaction between sodium hydroxide and aluminium. I have already covered that topic in my another video. The link is in the description. Now, store the hydrogen produced in a bottle. Now place the electric igniter in the bottle. I have already shown you how to make an electric igniter in my previous video. Now to test it, connect the wires of electric igniter to a direct current source of about 2 amps. From this experiment, we can conclude that hydrogen produces lots of thrust and that's why it is used as rocket fuel. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and share this video. And if you want to stay tuned with my upcoming videos, please subscribe.